Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get grit fragments. Grit fragments are a crucial resource for improving your player's performance through breakthroughs. These fragments are specifically designed to boost individual player statistics, not to change their inherent rank, which remains fixed. Knowing how to efficiently acquire them will significantly help in building a stronger, more competitive team, allowing you to unlock their full potential and dominate the game. For players ranked A+ through D, obtaining grit fragments is quite straightforward. When you recruit a duplicate player within these ranks, you automatically receive universal grit. This means that grit from any B+ wing spiker, for instance, can be used to enhance any other B+ wing spiker on your roster, offering great flexibility. Higher-ranked players, specifically those at S-, S, and S+, operate differently. Their grit fragments are unique and tied directly to that specific player. To get grit for a player like Yongsub, you must recruit Yongsub himself repeatedly. This ensures that top-tier players require dedicated effort for their maximum potential. To efficiently gather grit fragments, strategic recruitment is vital. For your S-rank players, concentrate on acquiring duplicates of those specific individuals. Meanwhile, leverage the versatility of universal grit by applying it to any A+ to D-rank player of the matching position and rank. This balanced approach optimizes your team's growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.